Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Eldorado.gg review. Everything you need to know. In this quick review, let's break down everything you need to know about Eldorado.gg. The platform markets itself as a marketplace for in-game goods, offering currency, accounts, boosts, and other services backed by its trade shield system and 24/7 support. On paper, it looks like a structured marketplace used by millions of players. However, because most listings come from the independent sellers rather than official sources, the platform carries high risk. Many users report lost funds, revoked accounts, slow support, or unverified sellers not delivering as promised. While it's possible to receive legitimate items, it's very much a gamble. If you use Eldorado.gg, treat every seller as untrusted unless they have extensive positive reviews, a solid history, and active communication. Stick to the secure payment methods and avoid sharing sensitive info to protect yourself. Success depends on choosing safe, reputable sellers within the marketplace. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.